Look friends, what we have today. It is in Baby Alive, Snip and Style Baby. It says to press a tummy. Let's try it and press it.
My haircut is so cute.
Wow, I really think her haircut is cute. Wait, look, she has a special scissors trim bangs. That means that the scissors will trim her bangs when they grow long, like this. She as well has many accessories and a comb to hairstyle her hair. Let's go on and open it. Let's first take out her comb. Wow, it's a purple comb with a kitty on the back. So cute. Now let's check out this magical scissors, which are we all waiting for. Even these look cute. And there again, there's a kitty. Now let's take out the accessories. First, let's take out these flowers, which will go on her head. Now for the pink one. Now for the kitty ears. These are the kitty ears. Let's check out this accessory. There are two butterflies in this accessory, as well as this goes for a hair. Now let's take out the bows. This is the first bow. Now for the second one, we need scissors. This is the second bow. Let's keep it over here. Now let's open this accessory. First, this we need scissors. Wow! It's again two butterflies, but with a cyan color. Let's keep this over here. Now let's open this thing up. This thing is really fluffy. I think it is supposed to be on the top of your hair. Let's keep it. Now let's take off the doll.
My hair, watch it grow.
We took it off. Wow, we all can see that she has so many accessories. Let's first try the magical scissor. Oh no, her bangs are long enough so we can cut them. I have an idea, let's keep this aside. Let's press her tummy. I hope she'll say something and probably her bangs will grow.
My haircut is so cute.
Let's try again.
Touch my hair, watch it grow.
Wow, she's telling to press her tummy again and then her bangs will grow.
My hair is getting so long.
Oh really? That's so amazing. Her bangs are growing. Let's cut them with a scissor.
Uh-oh, I think I need a haircut. Snip, snip, not too short.
Wow, her bangs really look cute. Let's try any of these accessories on her hair. Let's go with the flower first. I bet this will look good on her.
My haircut is so cute.
Wow, she really likes her haircut and even the flower accessory. Let's try the kitty ears. Wow, that looks cute but really silly. What if we remove this? She really looks like a cat now. That's so funny. Let's try these too. But with these. First, for using these two with this, we need to take these and insert it. She looks so cute. Let's do the same with this now. Insert it and now. She looks much cuter. But her hair is coming in the way. Let's comb her hair. Let's first remove her accessories from her hair.
Touch my hair, watch it grow.
Oh, her hair is a mess. Come on, my dolly, let's do a hairstyle on your hair. Let's take her to the side. Let's take our comb and comb her hair. Now from the back side. Now from the other side. We are done combing her hair. Uh-oh, but her hair looks so plain and boring. I know what we have. Accessories. I know these will look good on her. Let's start the side. What accessory should I put here? This blue butterfly accessory? No. Or this cute flower? I think that's a yes. Let's put it. We'll open it from here. Take her somewhere. Wow, she looks so cute. Let's do the same with that other side. She looks cute. Wow, our doll looks so cute with those accessories. That's for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.